Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, the story of Bay, Crawlspace and Foundation Repair, one of the most positively reviewed companies of its kind in the country. If you have a foundation or crawlspace issue, watch this story. Congratulations to the owner, Blake Heron, and the incredible team that Blake values so much at Bay, Crawlspace and Foundation Repair, with locations in Virginia Beach and Newport News, on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for delivering gold standard customer service and outstanding workmanship every day for years. At Best of the Best, we never tell a company owner that we are profiling that company. We simply begin our research on any company the same way that most customers would these days. We read every word on the company website, everything we can find online about that company, and if we like what we see, we proceed with a full review. We love the story of Bay, Crawlspace and Foundation Repair. This company does a lot of things really well, all kinds of foundation structural repair, crawl space encapsulation and repair. They deal with all kinds of issues from water intrusion into buildings, cold floors, cracked brick and concrete walls, mold prevention, you name it. And according to our research, whatever this team does, they do it right. Blake is a great guy with a degree in engineering, technology, and business from JMU and a real passion for team building. He loves hiring great people and helping them succeed. Bay, Crawlspace and Foundation Repair is made up of a very tight-knit team of true professionals. They've grown a lot since 2014, when Blake started this company from nothing. Today, they have almost 40 people on the team and hundreds of years of experience collectively. They've seen and done it all in foundation and crawlspace repair. They like to say, trust the experts, and we could not agree more. If you have a foundation or crawlspace issue, you'd better hire an expert. Bay, Crawlspace and Foundation Repair is not your grandpa's foundation company. This is a very progressive organization. For example, these guys know that paying for foundation repair in most cases is not easy for people. So this page on their website offers lots of really great financing options. We love that. Bay, Crawlspace and Foundation Repair offers lifetime warranties on their work. They give free inspections and estimates. They also check a lot of other boxes for us. They have a great website. They have great photographs on the website. They answer their phone. They show up when they say they will. The team members are clean-cut, good people. All of that stuff matters to us. And all of that is great, but at Best of the Best, we care most about what real customers say about any business. The reviews about Bay, Crawlspace and Foundation Repair on every credible review site out there are simply fantastic. Hundreds of them. Some of the best we've ever seen in the country. Clients simply rave about this company's workmanship, the people, the professionalism of the team, and most importantly to us, the honesty and integrity displayed by everyone at Bay, Crawlspace and Foundation Repair every day. They'd never sell you something you don't need. When we profiled this company in September of 2020, they had an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau with dozens of 5-star reviews on the BBB site, which we don't often see. They were Angie's List Super Service Award winners, Home Advisor Elite Contractors, and they gave back to the community in many ways in charitable events. Congratulations to everyone at Bay, Crawlspace and Foundation Repair with 2 locations in Virginia on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for doing business only one way every single day for years. The right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it.